Hello, Dennis Rath here. I wanted to talk to you today about the importance of having a pre-inspection on your home before you put it on the market. The reasons are it's a lot easier and less expensive for you to find the contractor to get the work done than it is what the buyer is going to imagine the expense is going to be. For instance, I had a home that I had listed for sale. The inspection came through. There was a punch list of small items, some reverse polarity on some plugs, GFCI that didn't work in the bathroom, and then the hot water tank was getting to the end of its life expectancy. They came back just for that hot water tank asking for $5,000 from the seller. The house was put on the market, it sold immediately, and then we got into this negotiating over repairs. A pre-inspection, if done correctly by a reputable company, will cost you anywhere from $350 to $450, depending on the size of your house. When we're talking about selling your house for $250,000, it's small potatoes. The other thing that we're finding out too is of the houses that are pre-inspected, 60% of the buyers are not taking an inspection. They're not even having one. They take yours, they review it, you see that it was corrected, and the deal just moves forward. So it's worth the investment and the peace of mind for you to know that your house is in good shape, and it's not judged by you, it's judged by a very reputable third party, and it's important. Now, you could do it the other way where you just put it on the market and sell the house, and then you're into having an inspection. The buyer's inspector is being paid. He's going to have to substantiate his fee. Bingo. Now we're looking at punch list of small repairs or maybe a large repair. This way you can have it covered, put the house on the market, peace of mind knowing it's been pre-inspected, nothing really is going to jump out at you, and you can move forward with the deal. I think that's it. So if you have any questions about this video or any of the videos, please feel free to give me a call. Have a great day.